watched the TV video.
Look up the Humpty Days.
Oh, yeah.
Just as bad.
What's going on under those covers there? Look at. Oh, you missed it. Hold on.
Inappropriately hilarious.
That's so funny.
You know, Sir Mix-a-Lot has a song, "Rolling in My Hoopty" or "Rolling in My Crap Car" or something.
Yep. I think it was rolling in my hoopty, if I remember right. Well, then you've got what's his face, Weird Al Yankovic that did a
Oh
skit
gosh,
to that.
don't get this one started on all of
I
that.
love Weird Al.
He like knows all the words.
Not all of them.
Oh, you know quite a bit.
I do know quite a bit.
But there's something with the wiring going to the
Number 3.
I know, I heard something.
I did too.
last one a little extra.
Remember
Stop beating on the
the no. Remember the christening of the shop when it was like the first day we
first
actually
milling
worked
machine?
in here. Yeah, well, the first mini mill that was kind of a pile of shit.
Dude, I want to get rid of Alexa.
Hurry up, Bobby. We're
The
running
chuck
out of
for the
film.
E-bill, we were changing it, and it came out, and it went boom on
This
the
one's
table.
not actually bad. It is a little darker, so
It's
it's
fine.
running. It's running decent, but
It's a little darker
I
for
still
sure.
say she needs to put it considering the turbos and power out of a 4-cylinder now. Then
It's the same spark plug over and over.
I know.
It
Yeah,
gets boring.
it does get boring.
Yeah, Bobby doesn't need all of that.
No, we don't need all that.
I got you, Bobby.
I know.
cost cutting, any type of savings you can possibly do.
But I did
From
get
mass
my
production.
Maverick order confirmed
Not-
today.
not
What are you gonna put in it?
23, it didn't get built. I got confirmed for 24. We're offering price.
Oh, I gotta send you the whole link.
It is. They're wonderful vehicles.
Shit.
If I get it, it's outrageous.
Oh, I agree.
You're gonna be
I
sitting
agree.
there.
I agree.
You have homework for the week.
Like on our old 350.
I want to go back and like buy 10,000. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's a
We
lot
have
of
that.
Starting out?
A year ago, you couldn't buy it.
We have
With a rubber
we have
core,
Yeah.
and then
one.
another chunk of metal, and they're pressed together, kind of glued
So
with
if
the
you go
rubber.
on, do you have your phone with you? You go into.
oh yeah, I like the
Rubber
rubber
rings. The outer ring spins,
Or I'll just use it.
Yeah.
the inner one
So
doesn't.
just YouTube.
It's super nice, but it's got a 10 cubic foot trunk. So,
Oh yeah, yeah, exactly. They're amazing cars.
No.
They really are.
That's the color of it. Yeah, it's uranium. So there's-
which I prefer.
I love that truck.
I think both of them have. Yeah, both of them have water in it.
Good.
Sure. I know.
This is like point of view porn.
Come over right there.
That's about all you're getting.
More than I wanted.
It costs more if you want more. You're like you.
Ew.
So it looked like this. You see the color of it.
Shoulders.
What kind of color?
Water pump on a 460 or a 4? No. That's a.
Nice bang there on the snap. Is that an old class video?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Out of
thank you.
Brandy.
Because
59.
I didn't see part of this, so all I saw was that. I'm like, okay,
This
that
one's
looks
gonna
like
be
a
fun because it's
Got all this shit in the way.
got all the bullshit in the way.
slant 6. See, I think I know that guy.
So when you held that out, if I pulled up, would that help?
Yeah, hold on.
I can get my hands in there now.
It's probably just
Pop that off because it's tight in there. But we got it freed up. Like heating this up, we gotta work our way around
I
it.
think there's
Oh, hey, look at that.
actually in our. Oh, I know what I can do.
Let me pop it out of here.
Let's go to albums. Let's go to my area. No, add you to this.
There we go. It's popped out now. Look. I just gotta get it to come up and over. There we go. Magic!
Fade to black, it's done.
Yeah, and call it.
There you go.
Can you turn that fan a little bit in a different direction? I do not want to be spilling oil all over.
You gonna stab that with this?
Yes, please, thank you. I'm a stabby kind of guy.
I do that all the
I will
time.
stab a hoe, I don't care.
You gonna cut, bitch.
I will cut you up.
Brady never have to stab a bitch.
That was one of the funniest Chappelle Show moments ever.
What's that little ring for?
Which
Where?
Which ring?
Do you guys
On
really
the
think
engine.
that we'll ever get Randy back together? Do you think
Probably.
it's...
This is making great video. Alex.
No, this thing right here. The thing I'm looking at.
This?
Yeah.
That
actually,
holds the. That holds this.
Oh, okay. I thought it was to help pull the engine out when it finally breaks.
No, it's too weak for that. Those are a little heavier duty. Allie.
Oopsies.
You think we're ever gonna get?
Yeah, sorry.
Yes, we are. I swear.
Edit that out.
I don't edit.
if I spill this oil because of you, I swear to God, I'm gonna sick her on you and
being
have her
good.
do a tap dance.
I'm being good. I'm only going this far.
We just want to clear coat where we're at.
Once it broke loose.
You know, putting things back together, getting it running.
See, I'm good at directing other people, I promise. I'll direct her to get you, and then I'll direct him to...
I'm good at like going, hey, do this, this, and this. I'll be back in a while, and then I go work on something else. Mainly because I have way too much shit to do all the time.
Come on, go down, go down.
Honestly, I'd like to work on the upholstery.
$5.